What's up, you beauty?
What's up, sexies? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hold on, let me get my hat. Hold on, you can keep rolling.
Keep it rolling.
Bam! We're out here with the film crew. Got my all-star filmmaker, star contributor to all my videos, and we got myself, me, and I. I don't know who we're playing tonight. We played like crap last week. I filmed the game. We lost. I'm not gonna tell you what the score was. It was that bad. I had a couple good saves. The team that we played against was pretty good. We didn't have our full team, so that was a big issue. We were missing the beer league vendor. AK wasn't there, Chris Gale wasn't there, Smith wasn't there, Rusty wasn't there. We didn't even have our whole team. We're just filled with a bunch of subs. Big disaster that I know you guys wish you would have saw, but I'm not gonna post it. I had a couple banger saves, but it's all good. I do have to work on a lot of things today. I need to work on my positioning and staying like in the crease. And my skates were just blown out, just not good. And I hope for a better result. Hopefully we can get the dub. I think I'm on a 2-game losing streak. We lost at crypto, but that was just for fun. Last week, okay, I'm gonna tell you the score. We lost 10-2. It's just don't tell anybody, okay? It was a shit show of a game. I didn't play good. I blame myself. Thank you for all the comments, for all the support. Make sure you punch that like button and you hit that subscribe button. What else? Oh, also, I am going to be selling my goalie gear at some point. I will give you guys the full details. If anyone's interested, definitely shoot me an email, leave a comment, hit me up. They're V6 pads, goalie pads, blocker, and glove. There's some holes in the blocker. I've done some alterations to fix it. And the pads still have all the straps. They're an older model. I don't know what the pricing is gonna be, but I'll do some research and I'll post it. So maybe I'll put it in the next video. I'll have like the specs and like what they look like and the condition. The condition's pretty good. So if you guys are interested, let me know. And yeah, let's get the win. Let's go. All right, we'll see you guys on the ice.
Bye, babe.
We have a bunch of subs, a bunch of kids. So I don't know how it's gonna play out. I don't know where all our players are, but Willsy's back finally.
Willsy!
I know, I missed all the beginning ones, but we're back!
Yeah, we were asking Hannah was last week.
That's what I heard.
Missed out on much. Yeah, so we have a bunch of subs. What are we gonna call ourselves? Not the Tropics, because we're definitely not the Tropics right now.
The sub squad.
The sub squad, yes. Little submarine. The sub squad.
Sub squad, let's go.
Sub-Zero.
Thank you.
Alright, wish me luck.
At least you look good.
Huh?
I said at least you look good.
Hey. I feel good, so that's a good sign.
There you go.
That's a really good sign. Let's see how I feel when I'm on the ice.
Have a good game.
Thank you. We just scored. It's 1-1. 6 minutes and 30 seconds left in the first period. I took that last one off the head. Like one of my straps came undone, but I'm good. Not the helmet, not the face, not the teeth, not the hair. Anything but that. We just scored. It's 2-1. 18 minutes and 40 seconds left in the second period.
Nice.
We just scored. It's 3-1. 16 minutes and 40 seconds left in the second period.
Let's go.
We just scored. It's 4-1. 12 minutes and 30 seconds left in the second period. It's 5-1. 11 minutes left in the second period.
Yes, sir. Woo! Nice.
We just scored 6-1. It's looking like it's gonna be a blowout, unfortunately. I kind of wanted some more shots, but yeah, I don't know. 7 minutes left in the second period. Wilson came in for me, buddy.
Nice. Clean. Yes, sir.
Good shot on it. Good shot on it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Got it.
Hey, we see you, bud. We did it. Yeah. Team effort right there. You okay though? You didn't need your fucking two, bud.
I needed his help. I tried to put him in the right position.
He didn't need your clutch.
I honestly, I
he
needed
did.
the support. So, all right,
I didn't even think about that.
I got hemorrhoids.
That was good.
go. Nice. Good game. Yo, those saves. Oh,
We're flopped up in the air.
I didn't.
What?
I didn't.
Are you kidding me?
I didn't.
I had no knowledge that that was gonna go in the net.
I'm so sorry, but that was epic. That's probably one of your
What?
best saves.
The
Best
worst goals on me possible?
best efforts. Maybe.
Best ever
How do you
worst
say
goal
that?
on me.
Yeah.
No, you
was
won't see
that.
that. You won't see that anywhere else.
That was
Yeah,
awesome.
that was a really bad goal. I should have gloved it, but I tried sticking it down. I didn't think it was going in the net until I looked back and I was like, oh my
Yeah,
God.
of course you didn't.
That's embarrassing.
But you did amazing. A little bit.
Hold on. Was
That
the score 6-2?
Yeah.
Damn.
That
I
was-
should have had the first one. I definitely should have had the second one. I should have had a shutout. I should have had a donut. I'm sorry. I tried. I felt good in the third period. I think I came up big a couple times.
Yeah, you did amazing. You killed
There's a
that.
couple saves just ended up like around the goal line, or, like,
Right?
right there in the middle of the crease. Yo, Willsy, shout out to you, buddy, for helping me out. That was a sick save. He helped me out. Anyways, good to be back in the win column. All the players on our team are like junior level kids. It's not fair. And I didn't get that many shots. I wish I had more shots. It's kind of a boring game.
It was not boring for me.
Well, it was entertaining to watch, I guess.
It's really entertaining to watch, yeah, but
Yeah, anyways, shout out to everybody. Thanks for the support. Make sure to like and subscribe. And tell me what you think about that goal that just happened on me. That's actually going to be the name of the video, the worst goal possible on me.
that was insane. But you did so amazing. Like, you actually made
I did okay. I
contact
played
with
all
it.
right, but I could have played better. I definitely
mean-
could have had those two saves.
Who would have thought it was going to actually go in the net?
Did you see it? When it was so
Yeah,
high up in the air, and
I know.
almost had it with my stick.
And it just goes right in the net. I was like, what? How
I have
insane.
the worst luck.
No, you don't. You
I mean,
did.
that was pretty bad luck.
You did great. I'm proud.
I feel like I'm owed to have something like that happen to me every game, though. Not every
course.
game, at least every other game.
GG's.
GG's.